Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a keyboard that is nasty because people have like dirty keyboards or whatever. Alright, first thing you're going to do, you need the materials. What I use is like the obvious thing, the Windex, a pencil to get off the keys, and then I have a thing to hold some Windex in it, and then some Q-tips and paper towels. Alright, what I'm gonna do first is take off the keys that have dirt underneath them and all that crap. So here we go. And look at the angle. And then I'm going to move them over to the table. Let's take off the space bar. And then the other parts. Here it is. And the last one. Over here. Okay, as you can see that it's... Oh, I had some light that you can probably see. See that all that gunk and all that? This is not my keyboard, but I'm using it to do this video. Alright, well, I'm gonna clean it. So what you're gonna do first is, well, hold on. Look at my door and the table. Alright, what you're gonna do first is you're gonna grab a paper towel. See, I got a square paper towel. And just put it somewhere. And then you're gonna get one Q-tip, dip it into the Windex, take it out, shake it off. Then you can go over here, put it to wherever you want. Go right here and just like scrub it. And that gets gunk off, wipe it off some places until you want to change its side or so. And you get the gunk off, and then if you want, this is what I figured out how to do. So you see all this gunk on there? What I do is I take it over to the paper towel, and then I cover it up, and then I rip off that piece by bending it. Then it looks like this. And then you just repeat the process, but at the end, so you're going to dip it. Ooh, that piece is not good. Oh well, you know what to do with it. You dip it, wipe it off, or whatever. And you can go back over here and start cleaning it again. So I'm going to do that for the whole keyboard. And I'm going to skip to the end to show you how it's going to be. I'm going to have to put pieces back on anyways. So, show you the ending of it. Hello, this is Matt121 Mike, and here's the finished project of the keyboard. It's not as bad as it used to be. All the keys are taken off. You can see the finished product. How it's all clean, not fully exactly clean. There's a key that was like super sticky and all this crap was in it. And yeah, it took me a little bit, but I stopped like 8 times because I got a couple of calls and everything. But here's a keyboard without keys. ... It's quite hilarious to see. It's like white and black. But yeah, here's the clean keyboard. It's a Dell, which I don't really like Dell. I like Logitech. But yeah. That's a clean keyboard, and I used Windex, which is in there, paper towels, and Q-tips. As you can see how dirty that one is, and they are. Those were all from a keyboard. but there was a lot more. I threw them away and stuff. But I had gotten 8 calls and all that, so I stopped quite a few times. It took me about an hour and so. But yeah, that's my video on how to clean a keyboard.